Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And, we have Copilot for Windows, of course, and that isn't what a lot of people like. And so many people turn it off to make sure they don't have it there. And, we'll have an equivalent coming up in the most popular browser, Chrome. It will actually be the Gemini Chat, the AI that Google is working on. So it is not available yet for standard users, but if you are a Canary user, an insider for Google Chrome running the Canary version of Chrome, you can actually enable it in Chrome. But this is what it will look like. It will eventually show up. No news yet as to what version of Chrome update will give this to us, but that strangely looks a little bit like Copilot in some ways. So this is what you will have. You'll have a panel on the right. You'll have the ability to also chat and have different options that will show up in the customization of Chrome. So create theme with AI, and you'll have also all sorts of other chat capabilities. You'll be able to ask it to create pictures just like the Copilot in Microsoft Edge. So everybody's, of course, jumping on board of AI, and AI is actually making it more and more to different browsers. Google Chrome's the next, and we know that slowly but surely Firefox is definitely getting on board with AI also. So this is getting into all the browsers. Is it a good thing, a bad thing? I guess it depends maybe what you do with it, but definitely it's not making everybody happy. Question for today is the arrival in next version of Google Chrome of the Gemini Chat and AI panel and capabilities in Google Chrome a good thing or a bad thing? Do you hate it? You like it? Give us your comments below. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.